Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brick red color. To begin, gather your primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. Brick red is a warm, earthy tone, so we'll build upon a strong red foundation. Ensure you have enough of each color to experiment. This process involves careful mixing and observation to achieve the perfect shade. Next, introduce yellow to your red base. Start with a very small amount, perhaps 1/4 the volume of red, and mix it in completely. Yellow will warm up the red, shifting it towards an orange red. Continue adding tiny increments of yellow until you achieve a rich, warm red that resembles a terracotta shade. To achieve that characteristic brick-like depth, add a minuscule amount of blue or a dark brown. Blue will slightly desaturate the red, giving it a more natural, muted appearance. If using brown, it will add an earthy richness. Mix very slowly, as too much can quickly turn your brick red into a muddy brown or purple. Finally, compare your mixed color to an actual brick or a reference image. If it's too orange, add a bit more red. If it's too bright, a tiny touch more blue or brown will help. Continue to make small adjustments until you are satisfied with the brick red hue. Remember, practice makes perfect in color mixing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.